said come. I said come, yes. You. Yes, come.
Yes, sir.
From today, I won't be needing your assistance here anymore.
Okay, engineer, why? Okay, engineer, please. I need this work. My wife is pregnant. You know I need this job, please.
I understand, but that's order from above. It's not my fault, okay? It's order from above, okay? Just understand. I have something for you.
Okay, engineer, please, sir. Please, I need this job.
It's not my fault. Just stand up.
Please, I beg you in God's name. Please, I need this job.
See, take this money, okay? Just leave. I can't do anything for you. This is order from the above. I can't do anything. Just leave, okay?
Well, you know I need this work. I need this work. Please, I beg you.
I know you need this work, and I need it too. Do you want them to sack me? Just go. Please, just leave. Okay? Hey, you, wait. Continue what you're doing. What are you looking at? Come on, just go.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.